Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to make a homemade spot stain remover for your laundry. First, get a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. This is something that you can keep in your cabinet to use over and over again, and it is the best stain remover that you can get. Half a cup of peroxide. Next, measure out a half a cup of baking soda into your spray bottle. You want to use, obviously get a spray bottle that you can keep under the sink or something. And then add 1 cup of hot water. The hot water will help the baking soda dissolve better, and that's why we say hot water. I mean, it's not going to be hot after it sits under there for a little while, but the hot water will help the baking soda dissolve. 1 cup. Replace the lid of your spray bottle. Give it a good shake. Spray it on whichever item of clothing or cloth or material you are wanting to clean. Oh, there we go. Use a sponge to rub it in. Rub the material against itself, whichever you choose. Let it sit overnight, and the next day wash it in the laundry as usual. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that's how you make homemade stain remover for fabric.